What do you think?
Brenna. Brenna. Brenna, stop eating that pie, please.
Drop it.